One-Step Surety is our bond issuance system. It makes rating, quoting, and issuing commercial surety bonds faster and easier. In this video, you'll learn how to issue a bond or underwriting submission. At the Issue a New Bond section, click the green Start a New Bond button. On the next screen, select the type of bond you need by clicking the blue Bond Type link. Help is available in both booking flows by using the chat function. First, choose your inception date. Next, choose a bond form. You can search by obligee or keyword. If you use a certain bond form often, it will show up in the Frequent tab. If there's a form you want to save for future use, you can mark it as a favorite by clicking the star button. Advanced Search allows you to search by bond type, class code, or form number and keywords. You can preview the forms by clicking on the blue form name. Once you find the form you want, click Select. If you can't find the form, click the Help, I can't find the right form button. Fill out the remaining information, including bond limit, license producer, bond number, and account principal information. Enter the principal name, zip code, and address. City and state will update based on the zip code. The form preview will update when you click Refresh. Email and phone are optional. Enter expiration and renewal dates. Check obligee information to make sure it's correct. In the bond form input fields, select Signed Sealed Date and Attorney in Fact. To use e-signature, select the box. Note that an e-signature must be on file to use this option. Preview draft form for accuracy. On the Review and Billing screen, you'll see your bond has been approved. You can view premium charge, have an option to fill in credit card info for direct bill, and can complete the principal billing data fields. If paying by credit card for direct bill only, select credit card from the payment type and fill in the data. Click the green Issue Bond button to complete the transaction. Your bond has been issued. Click Download Client Package for the delivery of bond to the customer. Click Download Full Package to include agent's producer compensation notice and the invoice. Now let's go over the One-Step Surety booking flow. This is for bonds that are not eligible for the One-Step Light booking flow. On the Bond Basics screen, if you're issuing a bond under an account, click the Account bar and use the drop-down list to select the correct account. If you're doing a standalone bond, fill in the principal information, risk zip code, this is the zip code of the obligee, class code, and expiration date. For some bonds, the effective and renewal dates are different. If this is the case, then fill in the renewal date field to designate when the bond should renew. The writing company defaults to Hartford Fire Insurance Company. Click the green Continue button on the bottom right to go to the next screen. On the Details screen, you'll see the term premium. You can change the term premium to 3 years by clicking the text link on the right. The current status is listed at the top. UW Approved stands for Underwriter Approved. Complete the remaining principal and obligee information. Under Booking Information, select the License Producer. Remember, the license producer must be licensed in the obligee state. Under Billing and Handling, select Billing Type. If you select Direct Bill, you have the option to use a credit card. Under Bond Form, enter any information that needs to be filled in. You can click the Preview text link to see a draft copy of the bond form. Under Required Forms, select Signed Sealed Date for Attorney in Fact. Select the agent that will sign the final bond from the drop-down list. Preview the invoice and producer compensation notice, which is required by law. Click the green Continue button on the bottom right to go to the next screen. On the Review screen, you can review everything for accuracy. You can preview a draft copy of the bond form again before final issuance. If you see UW approved, you have the option of clicking the green Issue Bond button to execute the bond or clicking the Submit to Underwriting button if you'd like the bond to be reviewed by one of the Hartford's underwriters. The Application section provides an application you can forward using DocuSign, which allows the principal to electronically sign the application and removes the requirement for a witness signature. When you're ready to issue, click the Issue Bond button. On the next screen, you'll see the issuance confirmation with an assigned and recorded bond number. Now select the forms you want to view or print. You can combine the documents by clicking the Combine Selected Docs button. Clicking the View Bond Details button will allow you to view the booked bond information in the agency workplace.